I've always loved my job at the zoo, taking care of my beloved animals, keeping them safe.
Woohoo! Woohoo! My turn! My turn!
For some reason, it's begun to feel a bit hollow. You see, the frogs have their friends. Cats have their litters and their prides, but me, I have no one. I've never had anyone. While the animals have felt like a family for so long, I want more. Something a little more like me. Not quite human, not quite animal. One could call it a herd of my own. If this machine can send things back to Blue Morta on command, then maybe it can bring things here too. This interdimensional travel stuff is new to me, but I have to try. Alright, here goes nothing.
What's going on? I don't think I'm in Blue Morta anymore. How did I